Magandang araw sa lahat. Impeachment, a very controversial topic in this country. Now, impeachment is a political process of ousting or removing officers enumerated in the Constitution on the ground of culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes, including betrayal of public trust. Now, who are the impeachable officers? The President, the Vice President, the Chief Justice, and the members of the Supreme Court, and the members of the independent constitutional bodies such as the Civil Service Commission, the Commission on Elections, and the Commission on Audit, including the Ombudsman. Now, impeachment proceeding before the Senate becomes crucial if the officers concerned is either the President or the Vice President. Because somehow there is a political issue. There is a political motive. Right? So, what can we expect from the Senate in the event that they will now be deciding the issue on impeachment? Well, authorities, certain legal luminaries, and politicians are claiming that impeachment are simply numbers game. So, numbers game. So, how do we prove, for instance, bribery or graft and corruption? How can it be proven before the Senate? Right? How? It is through evidence. But will the members of the Senate appreciate the evidence and apply the law? Well, that is the issue because some people are saying impeachment is but a numbers game. And that is why I confided this issue to a new Juris Doctor graduate. And she said the constitutional provision on impeachment, specifically on the President and the Vice President, should be revisited. And I agree. In the event that there will be a body like a constitutional commission or a constitutional convention will draft or propose the amendment of the Constitution, this provision on impeachment of the President and the Vice President should be studied very well, should be revisited, and they will suggest the appropriate procedure to be undertaken so that it cannot be classified anymore as some sector says numbers game. After all, we are for justice. And that is the appropriate aim of any act of removing any public officer. It should be justice. And when we say justice, the officers who will decide are supposed to be impartial. So mga kababayan, yun ang issue sa impeachment, lalo na sa presidente at vice presidente. Maraming nagsasabi numbers game. Kaya sa ngayon, hayaan na natin kasi yun ang saligang batas, the 1987 Constitution. Pero balang araw, sana kung sakaling magkakaroon ng pag-aminda ng saligang batas, abay magkakaroon ng maayos na pag-aaral tungkol doon para ang impeachment proceeding, specifically against the President and Vice President, hindi na matatawag na numbers game. Maraming salamat at sana share naman itong aming tanggapan tungkol sa batas na to about political law, which I am not an expert, syempre, hindi. Okay, maraming salamat. Magandang araw sa lahat.